What if I told you that right now you and I are speeding through space at over 1,000,000 miles per hour? No, seriously, the entire Milky Way galaxy, our cosmic home, is on the move. And NASA? They finally figured out exactly where we're headed. Spoiler alert, it's a wild ride. See, most people think of the stars above as these static, twinkling dots, but the reality? Our galaxy is barreling through the universe, and we're not alone. Thanks to NASA's cutting-edge tools like the GAIA Space Observatory, yeah, that's the one tracking over 1 billion stars, we now have a map of our galaxy's path with cosmic-level accuracy. So where's this galactic cruise taking us? Drumroll please. It's straight into the arms of our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Yep, NASA and the European Space Agency have confirmed it. We're on a collision course with Andromeda. It's already begun, but don't pack your asteroid bunker just yet. The real fireworks are about 4 billion years away. And when it happens, imagine two spiraling galaxies swirling together in a colossal cosmic dance. Astronomers call the future galaxy Milkdromeda. I know, it sounds like a breakfast cereal, but it's real science. The best part, despite all those stars, space is so vast that most of them, including our sun, will just glide past each other. But what about Earth? Will we survive? Good news, probably yes. Earth might get a front row seat to the most amazing light show ever. Giant arcs of stars, twisted galaxies, and cosmic fireworks lighting up the night sky. So why does NASA bother tracking this if it's so far off? Because understanding our galaxy's motion helps unlock the mysteries of dark matter, black holes, and the universe itself. In the end, we're all passengers on this wild galactic journey. Thanks to NASA, we know our cosmic future is written in the stars. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit like, subscribe, and join me again for more trips into the cosmic unknown.